Hello and welcome to YOGATX. My name is Crystal. Today I've got a 10-minute morning yoga flow for you. We're gonna move quickly and try to touch on everything. So start in child's pose, make your way there. Now knees can be wide or together here. Take a moment, melt your forehead towards the earth. 3 breaths, inhale and exhale. Deep breath and fill up. Mouth open, let it go. One more, inhale. Exhale. And then make your way forward to tabletop. Take some hip circles here. Send them wide, like there's the center of your mat is underneath your belly button, and you're trying to take up as much space as you can. So hips to the left, back, then bring them forward to the right and middle. And switch the direction of your circles. Woo. Right, find your neutral tabletop. Spread your fingers wide. Step your right foot back, tucking the toes. Shift your heel forward and back, getting into the backs of the hamstrings, the calves. And then keep that forward back motion or start to carve a circle with your heel. And then find stillness. Send your right heel towards the back of your mat. Breathe into the back of the right leg. And slide your right foot over to the left. So it'll come off your mat, cross the left leg. Look over your left shoulder. See if you can find your right heel behind you. A little bit of side body action. Take an inhale. As you exhale, crunch right knee towards your right elbow. 2 more. Inhale. Take that diagonal stance. Exhale to crunch. Inhale and exhale to crunch. Pause here. This time kick your right foot out to the right and plant the foot in line with the left knee. Ground into your right hand. Inhale, reach the left hand up. And exhale, thread the needle, lower your left ear to the earth. Right hand can stay where it is. You can press into that hand to create a little more traction through the spine. Curl the hands forward or take that hand to your low back. One more inhale here. Exhale, right hand in front of your face. Press into the right hand, reach the left hand up. And then lower the left hand down. We'll switch weight to the left hand as you slide your right foot to the back of your mat and reach your right hand up. You can always widen your left toes off your mat to create a wider base here. Take your right bicep over your ear. We're in a supported side plank. Bow the right side of your body. So reach for the top edge of your mat. Take an inhale. And exhale back to hands and knees. Turn your heart forward. Optional round of cat-cow before we move on. Neutral tabletop. Step your left foot back. Tuck the toes. Shift the heel forward and back. Now choose to stay with that forward back action or add that carving a circle through the heel. Press your left heel to the back of your mat. Breathe space into the back of the left leg. And then slide your left toes over to the right side of your mat. Toes will come off, look over your right shoulder. Find your left heel behind you. Take an inhale. Exhale, crunch left knee, left elbow. 2 more. Inhale at a diagonal. Exhale to crunch. Inhale to extend. And exhale, tap left knee towards the left elbow. I'm going to turn so you can see me. Kick the left leg out to the side in line with your right knee. And then lift the right hand up, open away from the extended leg. Exhale, thread the needle, right ear towards the earth. And then you choose, keep the hand where it is, walk it forward, or bring it to the low back. One more inhale. Exhale, left hand back in front of your face. I'm going to turn back. This is really complicated. Press into that left hand, reach the right hand up. And then right hand comes down. Come onto your right side for your supported side plank as you swing your left leg to the back of the mat. Bring your left bicep over your ear and bow the left side of your body. Reach for the top edge of your mat. Take an inhale. And exhale back to hands and knees. Round of cat-cow. Tuck your toes under, lift the hips up and back. And bend your knees, look forward. Travel to the top of your sphinx. Inhale, half fold. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair pose. We're getting straight into it. Bend your knees, reach up. Exhale, twist to the right, right hand back, left hand forward. You can stay here or find a prayer twist, hands in prayer, left elbow outside the right. Right knee can't dock apart. Keep your chair, inhale back through center. Step your left foot back, right foot stays forward. Take an inhale. Exhale, cactus your arms, find a bind. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, humble warrior, hinge forward. Inhale, rise back up. Exhale, spin, open warrior two, wide edge of your mat. Flip your right palm, inhale, reverse your warrior. Exhale, side angle, forearm to thigh. Left arm comes over the ear. Inhale, sky archer, straighten both legs. Grab your right wrist, pull it to the back of your mat. Maybe float your right toes. And take an inhale here. Right toes down. Exhale, reach forward. Options, because this is a short practice, you can find triangle, right hand shin blocker floor, or shift forward to your half moon pose if you really want to feel fiery this morning. Your left foot will float off your mat. Think about stacking your hips wherever you are. Half moon or triangle. And then take your top left bicep over your ear. Take an inhale. Exhale, easy twist. Lower your left hand and left foot down. Reach your right hand up. Choose to stay or find a version of side plank. Your left side is your base. You might scooch your right foot back. You can stack the legs. Bring your right bicep over your ear. Woo. Bow the right side of your body. Take an inhale. Exhale, plank. Move through a vinyasa or feel free to skip it. It's a lot of work, I know. But we just got one more side. You're almost done. Bend your knees, look forward. Travel to the top of your space. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair. Sit your hips back. Exhale, twist to the left. Yogi's choice with the arms. Reach forward and back or find that prayer twist. Inhale, back through center. Ground your left foot. Step your right foot back. Take an inhale. Exhale, cactus your arms, find your bind. Inhale, lift the heart. Exhale, humble warrior. Release, inhale, rise back up, warrior one. Exhale, spin, open to warrior two. Flip your left palm, inhale, reverse your warrior. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, sky archer. Straighten both legs. Grab your left wrist. Pull it to the back of your space. Maybe float your left toes. And then make your choice if you're going to balance on one leg or find your triangle. Take an inhale. And exhale, move there. I'll demo triangle on this side. Reach forward with the left hand. Lower it down. Tick-tock the arms. Remember, you can always take half moon as well. From here, take your top right bicep over your ear. Another inhale wherever you are. Your exhale spins your heart forward, landing in that easy twist. Right hand down, right foot to the back of your mat. Reach the left hand up. And you might stay or find a side plank on your right side. Left foot can shimmy back. Maybe you stack the legs. Maybe you find a tree. Whatever it is, take your top left bicep over your ear. Bow the left side of your body. Take an inhale. Exhale, plank. Last vinyasa, take it or leave it. Holy cow, that was a lot of stuff. We're almost there. Oh yeah, we got time. Let's do one final twist. Come onto your back. This is so exciting. All right, cross your right ankle over your left thigh. I forgot the names of words. And then let everything fall to the left. So this can be your twist. Knees to the left. Right knee can point up, or you might choose to stack it on top of the left. And last little bit of side body action. Reach your right hand to the back of your mat. Come back through center, point your knees up. Left ankle over right thigh. Little bit of figure four, then let it drop to the right. Knees to the right. Again, left knee can point up, or you can unhook it and stack left knee on top of right. Send your left fingertips overhead to the back of your mat. Unwind, find your Shavasana. whatever that is to you. Hands wherever they're supportive, out of the way. Feel free to stay as long as you need. If you're ready to move on with your day, make your way up to a seat. Holy cow, you just did a lot. Thanks for joining me today at YOGATX. Again, my name is Crystal. If you want to follow me, I'm on Instagram at its_CRYST, 5 A's and an L at the end. Namaste, yogis.